Hello, I'm Professor X-Bert, and I'm here today to show you the beautiful landscape of Bristol in these troubled times. We are bird watching today, and for all you experts at home, I'm sure you realise something is terribly wrong with my gear. Atrocious. Birdbook in hand, my fellow adventurers. Follow. No, come. Shh. This is a flock of birds here, and oh yes, they are. Here they are. What are they? Owls. Owls. Okay. Let's start with the largest of all the owls, the neck twisty saucepan owl, and as you can see, its Latin name is just a second while I look up these birds. The owl, clearly related to the, if anyone can speak Latin, clearly related to saucepan, and this is why they're called the head twisty saucepan owl. This is their mating dance, and don't worry, this is their mating dance. They do this every day. Yes, and clear head turning. Don't worry, they do this every day. I've just popped him back to his nest, clearly, because I don't want to be losing the animal. And you can see if I can just be very careful. His nest is a saucepan that he has scavenged from the kitchen. Oh, next owl, the smallest in this group, the green nesting pig munching owl. Due Latin name actually is and it's known for its ornamental legs, as you can see. And surprisingly, we think we have found the leathered green-winged bird. We don't really know what kind this is yet. We just hope. Oh yes, it's turning its head. Perfect. Wait, hang on. Wait. Hang on. Just wait. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's a dragon! Run! It's a dragon! I'm really sorry, we had to stop filming. I think we've lost Greg. We don't know. It's yeah, so yeah. Anyway, positive side of things, we think we've spotted new activity in another area. I think we're lucky enough to stumble on a family of 12 owls. Latin name, 12 owls. Yes. These birds clearly resemble each other. You can see the family connection here. And as you can see, they are, if you did know these interesting facts, they are the top pop band in birdie world. I mean, they are on the charts every week. Today you find us in a new location, the wetlands. In the wetlands, generally you find a larger type of bird. Speaking of which, what's that? Gosh, these days. Just about. I'm very sorry, but due to too much paperwork and not having the bird's consent, we're unable to show this bird on camera. It's going to be a bird that you have to be very careful about because it's due to its vicious tendencies. As you can see, it's quite subtle at the moment, but when you do get too close or too loud, it can fly in pinpoint accuracy and be known to be quite vicious. This bird is called the translated straight from Latin, so in English it is the or sneeze in simpler words. And I'm very proud of this one. The mating call for this particular bird, let me demonstrate. A little too convincing. Oh, sorry, you disturbed me. I'm just looking up some more Latin names. Anyway, we have come to the end of the show today. Very sorry, we'll have to wait till next week. And yes, I hope you join us next week for Foreign Caterpillars.